Hey guys, it's me, Brandy. I have been gone a while. Some stuff has been happening, but I am going to try to be back and at least get one video up a week for you guys. So, just wanted to share my Ipsy box. This one is the one that they just sent me for October. So, it is super duper cute. I got quite a few things. So this is the Ipsy Open Studios box, and it says Halloween. Ready to look drop dead gorgeous this month? Welcome to Ipsy's Halloween, where we've conjured up everything you need for a frightfully flawless skin, ghoulishly glam looks, all in bewitching bag design that you voted for. So I'm super excited to show you everything. This is my Ipsy Open Studios bag. If you are not part of Ipsy, you can definitely go down to my down below and you can get your Ipsy bag. Several times a year I am given Ipsy bags to go ahead and give away, so I can let you know when that happens. But yeah, let's get started on this cool little set. So I've got this adorable bag. It is all Halloween-y. I really like it. It's super cute. I think that went above and beyond. So let's see. First, I have Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. And this is like an old Band-Aid pouch. Look at how it opens. That's kind of cool. And there is 10 sets in here. I'm going to use one now. Does anyone feel personally attacked by dark under eye circles? I mean, I don't usually have that issue, but I know many women do. I actually get these little bags, so maybe it will help with those. That would be super cool if it did. So let's see, what do I do? These expire April of 24. Lift, volumize, and revitalize tired eyes. So let's do it. Oh yeah, that's super cooling. It's a little weird underneath my eye, but I like the cooling effect of these. They feel really good. So let's see, we're supposed to, how long do I leave it on for? $20 to 30 minutes. Ooh, I'm going to have to leave and come back. 20 to 30 minutes is a long time for a video. So you guys are probably wondering where I have been. I don't know if you remember, but I have chickens, and things have been crazy with the chickens. We just got another little puppy. Work has been crazy. I know all of those are nothing that you guys, not that you don't care, just that it's been a crazy, hectic life lately. My posts on Instagram have gone down. I haven't been doing much of that either. So, I mean, it is what it is. I'm going to try. We will see what happens. I'm going to go over the rest of the stuff I got in the box, and maybe that'll be 20 minutes. So I got this tattoo pencil liner from KVD Vegan Beauty. Does anyone else think that it's funny that they kept KVD as the name? I mean, KVD Vegan Beauty. Like, doesn't it still sound like if it's Kat Von D Vegan Beauty? I wonder if, like, she still runs the show, but from like behind the scenes. What do you guys think? Conspiracy theory here, right? Alright, I also got this palette. It's called the True Nude palette by Element Beauty. And it is, I mean, it's cute. It's nothing to write home about. I will go ahead and swatch it for you. Let's do it right here. So we got the shimmer. There's one shimmer. And all the rest are mattes. I mean, these are all a good range of neutral colors. And I have two more. Some of these are pretty, what do you call it? Pretty powdery. So those are the colors. I don't know. I mean, it's not one that I probably would have picked myself. And I would say that I've had these colors before. I will try it out with you guys soon. Maybe today, maybe on another day. And normally I do these try-ons in a video, so I'll have to, like, I don't know, figure it out, right? And then I got this YC collection brush. Super pretty. I want to say it's a, oh, it's very soft. Like a blush brush. I would say a blush brush. Yeah. And that pad went right into my eyeball. I also got this Dr. Brandt facial cleanser. This I'm not going to use today just because obviously I already have cleaned my face, so I will use it for you guys at a later date. And then what else is here? So I have Maximist Phytofiber lengthening mascara, volumizing mascara. So, you know me, I am a mascara junkie. I have tons of mascaras and I love them all, so we shall see. This is Fenty Beauty Heat. So, Gloss Bomb Heat, Universal Lip Luminizer, and Plumper. So, I mean, this is in the color Hot Cherry, so let's see. It smells really good. Normally, I don't love Fenty in the way that things smell. It feels really good. It is not... It's not super sticky, and I actually love glosses more than anything else. So that is what it looks like. I probably should have done it with this Basic Beauty Lippy that I got. And this is in the color, ooh, that's like a reddish brown. Fall for You, very cute. Let's wipe off the gloss and try on the lip. That's a really pretty color. It's, like I said, a brown lip, a brownie red lip. I really like it. I'm going to throw the gloss on top. And it looks super juicy and really, really red. Holy moly. Okay. Alright, so next I have this pore purging mask. Purify and smooth. Massage on a clean skin. Leave on for 10 minutes or until dry. Remove with warm water or a washcloth. So I will try that at some point. Ultra Body Restore Body Butter from Kapari. It has a little thingamabobber, and you know I love to take lotion and stuff with me to work, so this will be going in my work vest. So, oh yeah, it smells really good too. It smells kind of like a mixture of maybe coconut and coconut and kind of perfumey, really. Alright, so that is all of the items that I got in my Ipsy bag. So I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go. I will do a try on in a future video of all of the products, but I really think the lips are pretty. And then these eyes, I mean, I feel like that looks a lot better. I'm going to leave it on for the full 20 minutes. Just so that I can get the full effect. But it is like super cooling. I really, really like it. So thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope you have a wonderful day.